Phone camera versus professional camera. Part 2. More control. Another key difference is the level of manual control that professional cameras offer. Professional cameras typically have a wide range of manual controls, such as shutter speed, ISO, and aperture that allow photographers to fine-tune their images and achieve specific effects. While some smartphone cameras do offer manual controls, they are often more limited and less precise. Image quality. In addition, professional cameras typically offer better image quality in low-light conditions. They often have larger image sensors that can capture more light, resulting in less noise and better detail in low-light photos. Smartphone cameras, on the other hand, can struggle in low-light conditions and may produce images that are grainy or blurry. Despite these differences, smartphone cameras still are an excellent tool for capturing photos and videos. They are lightweight, portable, and easy to use, making them ideal for spontaneous shots or capturing candid moments.